What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mixky and today we're doing this blue makeup look inspired by Papilio Ulysses butterfly. That's this butterfly. This blue blush is so cute. This should be a thing. I should start the trend. Blue blush. If you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to my channel. If you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. Okay, this morning I woke up with like a huge pimple here. Thank God it's there so I can cover that up with my double chin. Anyways, I am going to do, now you've probably seen it already. Now we're going to use concealer. You can use any concealer. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. We're using it to cover up our dark circles as well as using it as our eye primer. We're also going to put down the concealer at the outer corner since we're going to be painting a butterfly wing there. I've already said this, but I'm going to say it again. The concealer shade that I use is Warm Tone, which can cover up this like dark circles that have blue or purple tone. I'll be using a fluffy brush, set, put extra powder here. I smile a lot, not because I want to, because responsibility. I'll be using face paint from this brand called Mirror on Paradise. I'll be using a very tiny brush. If you can't find like tiny brushes, you can use art supplies. I also have these white brushes. So this is a brush specifically for nail art, but of course you can use it for anything you want to use it for. I'm going to be using it for my face. So we're gonna start drawing the butterfly wing. To do that, we're gonna outline everything. So we're starting with the very top of the butterfly. So we're gonna connect it to almost reaching the brow and then curve it down. I was looking at the reference picture of the actual butterfly and I came back with a pair of uneven eyebrows. Love that. Huh. After I drew the first line, I wasn't satisfied with the curve of it, so I'm going to redraw the curve. You can see the redness, like the concealer literally came off. I ended up erasing everything and now I'm redrawing them. Nobody's perfect. I made a mistake, now I'm back. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone has those days. Anyways, look at this. It's so pretty. I saw it, I liked it, so I bought it. I didn't like the way I angled it the first time, so now I angled it a little higher. So what you do is draw a straight line, curve it, and then do a 45, I don't know, go straight down. And then draw an angle, so it should be 90-degree angle here. We're gonna start from the halfway of the line that you just drew. You're gonna angle it downwards, like that. Now after you've done that, you're gonna create these flappy things that the butterflies have at the bottom of their wings. like these like flappy things. Don't make them even. We're gonna make them as uneven as possible because they're unique. Yeah, just like that. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to here, not like the corner, here, a little like 2 millimeters below the corner. For a person who's horrible at math, I use a lot of math. Oh my god, it's kind of useful now. Ew. Here, you're gonna connect it to here. So in this video, you are going to see me look down multiple times because there is a reference picture on your right, but on my left. So yeah, keep that in mind. This should look something like this. It's ugly, but it's gonna get better. Now we're gonna thicken the lines. Now we're gonna darken the lines as well as thicken them. After we're done sketching the outline, we're putting this tiny tail that butterflies usually have. So yeah. Put your seatbelts on because it's gonna be a long fucking ride. We're just starting. What we're doing is we are darkening all the lines that we just put down, and we are thickening certain lines. We are also going to do some ripples on the inside, which are the main focus of the butterfly. It's gonna end up looking really good afterwards, trust me guys. When you're painting butterfly wings, imagine the butterfly's body. The opposing part of the wings compared to the body will have the thickest black rim. Everything about this butterfly is thick. Now we are drawing some flappy things at the bottom of the wing. The flappy things only apply to the bottom part of the wing, not the upper part. We're also going to have like tiny string-like texture going upward. That gives it more of a texture and depth to the butterfly. If you feel like something's missing, of course, put more. Put some more.
Don't be shy, put some more. Put some more.
We're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Be right back. Hi. You may notice that they're not as even. They're not. For the eye look, we're gonna use Beauty Bay 42 Matte Bright Eyeshadow Palette. And we're using this baby blue, sky blue color called Paradise. It's okay if the color goes into the black spots, so we can refill the black color. Just don't color outside the black. After we have put down the blue eyeshadow in the butterfly wing, it will definitely ruin the black that we have painted at the outline. So now we are going to refill everything again. Now is the part where it's going to make it look three-dimensional instead of just like flat on your face. Since the butterfly wings are going to be a little lifted up, the shadows are going to apply to the center of the wings. So we are creating tiny strokes that resemble shadow instead of a messy blob. Now I'm drawing very tiny lines that goes to the end of the wing at the bottom that resembles the very tiny vein-like structure that butterflies have on their wings. I'm gonna use the same blue, but on the eyelids. Using a fluffy brush, we are going to put down the same blue color called Paradise from the palette that we just used, which is the same color as the butterfly, and we're going to lay it down on our eyes till we reach almost near the brow bone. For the purple, I'll be using this color, very pastel purple. Using the same brush, we're going to take the pastel purple from that palette, and we're only putting it down at the very center of our lid, not any higher than that, so that it gives like this a pop of purple when you blink. We want the same shade of purple at the bottom lid, so what we're doing is we're taking both the blue and the purple and laying it down at the bottom lid. We are almost done with our eye look. All we need to do is just put on mascara and put on false lashes, and we are done. I'm sorry guys, there is a construction going on literally right next to my room, so you guys are gonna hear all those banging noises and whatnot. I'm wearing eyelashes from the brand Super Red. If you want to put on a nude lipstick and be done with it, you do you, boo. But I will be extra and dramatic. So for a very extra lip look, what we're doing is we're using the same shade of blue as the wings of the butterfly, and we're putting it as the outer part of our lip, and then we are going to lay black eyeshadow in the center. So basically it would be like the opposite of how the wings are looking, where the black outline is at the outer portion and the blue is in the inner, but the lips are gonna be totally opposite. Now it's time for the finishing touches. We are at the part where we're doing the highlighter and also the blush. For the highlighter, we're using Juvia's Place palette. It has like this blue highlighter. It's so gorgeous. I'm using that to highlight, and I'm also using the same shade of blue from the, again, Beauty Bay. I keep saying BH Cosmetics, and using that as the blush. We're done with the makeup look. We're done with the makeup look. We're done with the makeup look. What do you guys think? The lashes are so fluffy. It's like a butterfly wing. If you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed watching the video, give it a like. If you have any comments, concerns, you can comment them down below. Thank you so much for watching. And hopefully I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.